Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. If your PC feels sluggish, takes forever to boot, or lags when opening apps, don't panic. Today I'll show you 5 easy ways to speed up your computer by deleting temporary files that build up over time. These are files your system doesn't need anymore, and clearing them can free up space and boost performance, all without downloading any new software. First up is a classic, Disk Cleanup. It's a built-in Windows tool that finds and removes unnecessary files. Press Windows plus S, type Disk Cleanup, and open it. Choose the C drive, your main system drive. Check options like temporary files, thumbnails, recycle bin, and system error memory dumps. Click OK, then delete files. This tool safely gets rid of temporary system files, update leftovers, and even files from old installations. It's a great starting point. Next, let's clean out the temporary folders where Windows and apps store junk during installs or usage. Press Windows plus R, type %temp%, and press Enter. This opens your user's temporary folder. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files and delete them. Skip files that are in use. Windows protects important ones automatically. Repeat with the temp folder, press Windows plus R again, type temp, and delete all files there too. Now let's tackle the prefetch folder. Windows stores info here to help programs load faster, but over time, it gets clogged with data from apps you might not even use anymore. Press Windows plus R, type prefetch, and press Enter. Click Continue if asked. Delete all files in this folder. Think of this as spring cleaning for your app launch data. This one's easy to forget. The recycle bin. When you delete files, they aren't really gone, they sit here, using up disk space. Right-click on the recycle bin icon on your desktop. Click Empty Recycle Bin. Windows 10 and 11 have a built-in feature called Storage Sense that can handle all of this automatically. Go to Settings, System Storage, or press Windows plus *S and type Storage Sense. Turn on Storage Sense. Click Configure Storage Sense, and choose how often you want it to run. Enable the options to delete temp files, old downloads, and recycle bin content. Set it and forget it. Windows will handle temporary file cleanup in the background. For those who want one-click simplicity, tools like CCleaner are still popular. Just download the free version and let it clean out browser cache, cookies, and leftover junk. It's useful, but always read what you're deleting, especially if you go beyond temporary files. That's it. By deleting these temporary files, you've not only freed up space, but possibly given your PC a nice performance boost. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell to keep up to date with future video releases. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next video.